Here we go. Part 3. Actually, no, part 4. Or 5, I'm not sure. Figure it out later on. Oh, the blizzard conditions somewhat wound it down. Now, if you want to talk about Buffalo having tall snowbanks and not cracking on the people of Buffalo, New York, I think it's a great place to visit, which I've been there for a short period of time to stop and get lunch on a trip and gone through by train. But my driveway here is what you call the living version of hell. In Buffalo, New York, we got you beaten here with the snowbank because it was up as high as my freaking chest almost. And here's the street.